Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to rotate home screen to landscape on Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Samsung has a landscape mode feature that you can activate via the settings menu. You can use this feature to make the home screen display to be landscape. And how to turn auto rotate on Samsung home screen. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to the settings. And then scroll down. Go to home screen. Scroll down again and here you can see the rotate to landscape mode settings. Tap here to activate it. When you go to the home screen, then rotate your phone, then in the lower right corner there will be a screen rotation icon, just tap it to switch mode from portrait to landscape and vice versa. Just it guys, I hope this video will help you, see you in the next video, thank you.